Let us look at monopoly or monopolistic competition. Now, in case of a monopoly, or monopolistic competition, in case there are imperfect market condition, it's not a perfect market, right? It's an imperfect market which exists. In such a case, the average revenue curve or the demand curve are downward sloping, which means the average revenue is going to keep coming down, and so is the demand which is coming down, right? The marginal revenue curve is also downward sloping, falling at twice the rate. It, however, starts from the same point as the demand curve. So effectively, average revenue falls, demand curve is going down, the marginal revenue is also coming down, but it is falling at twice the rate at which the average revenue starts falling, right? It is, however, from the same point as which the demand is there. A producer in these cases will be under equilibrium when the marginal revenue is equal to the marginal cost, because that's where the perfect point is, right? And the slope of marginal cost has to be greater than marginal revenue. What does this mean? This means that if the revenue is increasing by 8, the cost is increasing by 9. So he does not have any incentive to produce more, right? So there could be 3 situations under monopoly. If the marginal cost is greater than marginal revenue, which means if to produce an additional unit I have to incur a marginal cost of 10 and my marginal revenue is 9, what will you do? Obviously, cutting down production is profitable for the business. If the marginal cost is less than marginal revenue, the cost is 9, the revenue is 10, then obviously you are going to increase the output until the revenue and the cost becomes equivalent. But if the two are equal, that's the point when you earn maximum profit, right? If you produce anything more than this, your marginal cost will start increasing in disproportionate to the marginal revenue, and you'll start making losses.